Hi, I am Dr. Jagdeep. I am working as a medical oncologist in CCA Amritsar. Different type of cancers usually which we deal in our practice are solid and liquid cancer. Solid cancer means like cancer of the breast cancer, lung cancer, all the solid organs. Liquid cancer usually constitute the hematological malignancies. So symptoms of cancers are quite varied, ranging from the loss in appetite to weight, drenching sweats, night sweats, fever, uncontrolled growth of any lump in the body or swelling, generalized body pains which does not even respond to the treatment. So these are different types of the symptoms which can be associated with the different forms of the cancer. In our setup in our country, we usually encounter the most common cancers in female are like breast cancer and cervix, and in male usually we see the lung cancer and the colon cancer. So there are a lot of investigations by which we can detect the cancer earlier, and of course in case of a cervix cancer it can be detected by doing a proper vaccination of the females in the specified age group, that is 9 to 14 years, by the cervical cancer vaccine. So the risk reduction of the cancer can be done by different methods, like enrolling in the screening programs like mammography for the females and pap smear for the females, and similarly PSA can be one of the modality which can tell us that these are the initial some of the values which can tell that cancer can be in the initial stage. So a lot of screening programs can be there which can help to reduce the burden of cancer.